Hi ABSS user, we're here to guide you through setting up your company data file on the ABSS Connect web portal, with a special focus on enabling the LHDN e-invoice onboarding. To get started, go to the ABSS Connect web portal. Log in using the same email and password you used during registration. Once logged in, click the Company Profile button located at the top right of the web interface. On this page, enter your company's business registration number and ensure all other relevant information is accurate for identity verification. Once your business registration number is entered, scroll to the bottom of the page and click Save to apply the changes. Next, click Integrated Applications section located on the left side. This is where you'll find the options related to the LHDN e-invoice functionality. Click on the Register LHDN Direct button. A form will appear requiring you to fill in all mandatory details for LHDN e-invoice integration. Tick the designated tick box to confirm and actively enable your company data file to use the LHDN e-invoice functionality. Now you've successfully set up your company data file, your company is ready for LHDN e-invoicing compliance through ABSS Connect. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video guide.